Phases of the Moon by Angie Smith. In this podcast, students will gain a better understanding of the moon's phases and what they look like. Students will also learn the order of the moon's phases. Phase 1, New Moon. The moon's unilluminated side is facing the earth. There appears to be no moon with phase 1. Phase 2, Waxing Crescent. The moon appears to be partly, but less than half illuminated by direct sunlight. The part of the moon that is illuminated is increasing. Phase 3, First Quarter. Half of the moon in Phase 3 appears to be illuminated by direct sunlight. Again, the part of the moon that is illuminated is still increasing. Phase 4, Waxing Gibbous. In Phase 4, the moon appears to be more than half, but not fully illuminated by the direct sunlight. The part of the moon that is illuminated is continuing to increase. Phase 5, Full Moon. Here the moon's illuminated side is facing the earth. The moon appears to be completely illuminated by direct sunlight. The full moon is the one everyone loves to see at nighttime. Phase 6, Waning Gibbous. In Phase 6, the moon appears to be more than half, but not fully illuminated by direct sunlight. The part of the moon that is illuminated is now decreasing. Phase 7, the last quarter moon. With Phase 7, half of the moon appears to be illuminated by direct sunlight. Again, the part of the moon that is illuminated is decreasing. Phase 8, and the final phase, is the waning crescent. The moon appears to be partly, but less than half illuminated by direct sunlight. Again, the part of the moon that is being illuminated is on the decrease. To summarize the moon phases up, it takes approximately 29.5 days to go through the complete moon cycle. The moon reflects the sunlight. It doesn't shine on its own. You have a waxing moon, which means the moon is becoming full. The illuminated side is always on the right. A waning moon means the moon is becoming a new moon, which is a moon that doesn't appear. Here, the illuminated side will be on the left. Gibbous was used several times for our moon phases, and gibbous simply means humpbacked. Some key terms you should have learned through this presentation are gibbous, which is when the moon is greater than a semicircle, but it's smaller than a full circle. Crescent is when the moon is curved shape and it's bigger in the center than it is at the edges. Waning means the moon is getting smaller, and waxing means the moon is becoming larger. I hope you enjoy looking at phases of the moon and how they appear in the nighttime sky.